Picture this: you are doing everything right, eating healthy, staying active, and adding turmeric to your diet because everyone says it's a miracle spice. You sprinkle it on your meals, drink turmeric tea, maybe even take turmeric supplements. But what if I told you something shocking? The way you are eating turmeric could be doing more harm than good. Yes, if you are over 60 and mixing turmeric with certain foods, you might be hurting your kidneys, thinning your blood too much, or even causing dangerous sugar spikes without realizing it. Turmeric isn't the problem, it's these hidden food combinations. And I'm about to review the three worst foods you should never mix with turmeric, plus how to use it the right way for maximum health benefits. As we go into the video, take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a natural medicine. For thousands of years, people have used it to fight inflammation, reduce joint pain, and protect the brain. The secret: curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which acts like a natural anti-inflammatory pill without the side effects. For seniors, this is gold. It helps with arthritis, memory, heart health, and even lowers cancer risk. That's why health experts recommend turmeric for people over 60. But here's the shocking truth: curcumin is very delicate. When combined with the wrong foods, not only does your body fail to absorb its benefits, but these bad combinations can cause real damage. Imagine thinking you are healing your body, but instead you are feeding disease or damaging your kidneys. Let's dive into the first dangerous combination, one that almost everyone makes by accident. This one surprises most people because these foods are considered healthy. Spinach, beets, almonds. You probably love green smoothies with turmeric or sprinkle almonds on your turmeric oatmeal, right? Sounds healthy, but here is the problem. Turmeric already contains oxalates, natural compounds that in small amounts are fine. But when you combine turmeric with high oxalate foods, the oxalate level skyrockets, which can lead to kidney stones, joint pain, and calcium loss. Seniors are already at higher risk for kidney issues, so this is a serious problem. So if you love your spinach turmeric smoothie or beet turmeric salad, stop doing it daily. Instead, space them out by a few hours and drink plenty of water to flush excess oxalates. This one change could save your kidneys and protect your bones. This one can be dangerous, especially if you are over 60 and on medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart problems. Turmeric acts as a natural blood thinner, which is great for preventing clots. But combine it with prescription blood thinners like aspirin, warfarin, or even some herbal supplements, and you could experience excessive bleeding, bruising, or even internal bleeding. Many seniors unknowingly do this because they think it's natural, so it's safe. But natural doesn't always mean harmless when mixed with medications. If you're on medication, don't stop taking turmeric completely. Just talk to your doctor about the right dose and avoid high concentration turmeric supplements unless your doctor approves. Your life is too valuable to take chances. Have you seen those fancy turmeric lattes with honey, syrups, or sugar? Or maybe turmeric desserts and snacks? They taste good, but they are a trap. Why? Because turmeric's biggest benefit is reducing inflammation and blood sugar spikes. When you mix it with sugar, you cancel other benefits and actually make inflammation worse. If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, this is especially dangerous. It can shoot your blood sugar through the roof. And it's not just sugar. Processed foods like flavored turmeric drinks or energy bars often contain artificial additives that damage your gut. The solution? Enjoy turmeric with natural, healthy pairings. Avoid sugary lattes and stick to turmeric tea with black pepper and a healthy fat for maximum absorption and stability. Now that you know what not to do, let's talk about how to do it right. Because turmeric only works if your body absorbs it properly. Here's the secret. Combine turmeric with black pepper and a little healthy fat like olive oil or coconut oil. Why? Black pepper contains paprine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2000%, and healthy fats help turmeric dissolve and travel through your bloodstream effectively. So the perfect combo: a warm turmeric tea with a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of coconut oil, or add turmeric and black pepper to soups or curries cooked with olive oil. Simple, powerful, and life-changing. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone you love. It will save their life. And if you are serious about staying healthy after 60, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful health tips like this. Now, tell me in the comments, do you take turmeric daily and how do you use it? Let's learn from each other and stay strong together. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.